It's been a while after I've been drawing lots like this. The only time I saw this dinosaur was on Chased by Dinosaurs. Well, it was back during the Sea Monsters arc. I think it was on episode 3. Anyway, I know that this might be a ancestor of modern day alligators. Anyway, I've got something to show you guys. I finally got the Mixel I've been looking for. His name's Mesmo, and well, he's one of my top favorites for the Mixels series. He's one of the Wiztastics, and one of my favorite Wiztastics around. I've always wanted to obtain him, and now I have. Now then, shall we continue? Anyway, getting started on Metriorhynchus, we start off with the upper half. My buddy Camille and I had drawn something like this before. Metriorhynchus has been a long time classic to chase by dinosaurs. And basically, this dinosaur has been a huge crowd pleaser to my life. I haven't really gotten a chance to look for it in the book. Let me just grab it real quick. Got it. Now I just move on to this one. Let me just move on to this. Here we go. Ocean-going crocodile. It's lived during Europe and South America. That's really interesting to look at, considering the facts that it's first appeared in Chased by Dinosaurs. It's mostly seen in the Late Jurassic, back during Liopleurodon was around. And well, basically, I have been ongoing about this for a while. And well, I have been knowing on how long I'm going to be staying in Long Island for. Besides, I'm going to college soon. I've already mapped out my whole entourage, my own career, and all that stuff. I've already planned up a whole lot of pieces, and well, 2023 might be the last time I'll be recording, since I won't have any time for that. I'll have plenty of time for college, and the only time I might have more time for drawing this stuff would be in March. Don't worry, there's still going to be recordings of my past episodes, and it's going to be all yours to watch after this. Let's just say I've been through quite a lot, actually. I wanted to thank Uncle Paul for getting me that thing. You know, for getting me Mesmo. Sorry, just got my act. Okay. There we go. I don't know how I'm going to be drawing this. And done. Sorry, I wasn't able to draw the teeth. Okay then. And it's pretty much better the way it is. And done. There he is, folks. Let me just... One last thing to add, and that's the stripes. Stripe. Stripes. And that's done. There he is. Finished.